Welcome back to Auto Adventure. Today we're taking a closer look at the incredible 2026 Aston Martin DBX, a luxury SUV that combines stunning British design, breathtaking performance and premium comfort into one powerful machine. Aston Martin is known for building some of the most beautiful cars in the world, and the new DBX continues that tradition with a bold and aggressive design that instantly grabs attention. From the massive signature grille to the sleek LED headlights and muscular body lines, this SUV looks sporty and elegant from every angle. Step inside and the cabin feels like a private luxury lounge. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents and advanced technology surround the driver and passengers with pure comfort. The large digital infotainment screen is smooth and modern, while the premium sound system creates an amazing driving atmosphere. Every detail inside the DBX feels handcrafted and refined, proving that Aston Martin pays attention to even the smallest elements. Under the hood, the 2026 DBX delivers serious performance with its powerful twin-turbocharged V8 engine. The acceleration is fast, smooth and exciting, while the deep exhaust sound gives this SUV a true sports car personality. Despite being a luxury SUV, the DBX handles corners with confidence and precision thanks to its advanced suspension and all-wheel drive system. Whether cruising through the city or driving on open highways, the DBX feels stable, comfortable and incredibly powerful. Aston Martin has also packed the DBX with the latest safety and driver assistance features, making everyday driving easier and safer. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring and advanced parking systems all help create a stress-free experience behind the wheel. What makes the DBX special is how it balances luxury, practicality and performance without compromise. The 2026 Aston Martin DBX is more than just an SUV. It's a statement of style, power and prestige. It offers the excitement of a sports car with the comfort and versatility of a premium family vehicle. If you want an SUV that turns heads everywhere while delivering thrilling performance, the DBX might be one of the best choices on the market today. Thanks for watching Auto Adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more luxury car reviews and automotive adventures.